everyone, today we are going to prepare tilapia. It's a fish dish, and what I have here, it's 2 pieces of tilapia, and I just marinated it. Let's put a little pepper in here, and then we're going to sear it in our pan. As you can see here, there's egg and flour in it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's now sear. Okay, so this is ready. So we're going to take this out, and we're going to use the same pan to saute our spices and vegetables. So we have here ginger, white onion, so good already. Okay, so let's take this out because I need to saute the pepper, the rest of it separately. So this is ready. Next, we have to saute our red bell pepper. Let's add seasoning. And a little bit of pepper. Alright, let's take it out. We want it crunchy, so we don't want to overcook it. So let's take it out, put it in a separate bowl. And now we're going to saute the vegetable, but I want the vegetable to have some little spice flavor in it as well, so I'm going to put garlic, from the previous sauteed onions. I want to take a little bit of that and put it in here, and then our greens, vegetables. A lot of vegetables. We love vegetables. Oysters in. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and we will see you all next time.